Here in the wellness area of Green Ridge Recreation Center, and I'm joined by Tanya Brown, who is a participant in our programs here at Green Ridge and a member, and Chelsea Arner, who is the wellness supervisor. We're going to talk today about Lose Big. Lose Big is the most popular class that we offer in the wellness area. We have since we've opened here. Chelsea, first, what is Lose Big?
Lose Big is a 12-week program that you work out with a personal trainer twice a week for 1 hour for 12 weeks. You work in a group of anywhere from 4 to 6 people. Every workout is different, exciting, new. You lose a lot of body fat, inches, and weight. And it's one of our most popular programs. So far, we've had almost 14,000 pounds lost in the past 5 years of us offering this program.
Always a big list of folks wanting to sign up.
Definitely.
And Tanya, you're a recent participant. How was your experience with the program?
It was awesome. It was exactly what I wanted it to be. It was a lot of fun.
What made you decide to sign up?
I take the classes, but I'm not very self-motivated, so I don't know what to do when I get here other than walk. So I wanted to do something different, and that it was different, very different.
Now, Chelsea, talk about what motivates people in this class. It's co-opetition, isn't it? Talk about that.
Yeah, not only do you have your teammates to really work with and motivate you to come, but you also have a sense of competition because the winner of Lose Big wins a prize valued at almost $300 at the end, and then we also have team winners. So the teams will compete in different challenges on certain weekends, so they're also going against each other. And then, too, at the beginning of the program, we always start you out with your beginning statistics of how much body fat you have, how quick or can you run a mile, how many push-ups can you do. Then we remeasure you 6 weeks in, and then we do it again 12 weeks later to see how much you've improved. So you're really competing with yourself, too, which is a good motivation.
In addition to the competition, there's also the fact that you get to work closely with a personal trainer, which you wouldn't necessarily get to do without hiring one on the side to supplement your workouts. Talk about, Tanya, your experience in working with that trainer.
Well, Lindsay was my original trainer, and then because of schedule conflicts, I also had 2 other trainers, and they were all very different in the way that they trained, but very good and very motivating because, again, I might not push myself. They would give me weights that I would not have picked for myself, but that I did. So I most definitely got stronger throughout the class, and I realized that I could do more and work out harder than I thought I could.
And what would you say, this is for either of you, to someone who's not sure they want to really commit to this? Why should they give Lose Big a try?
Well, I would say, since I do run the program, I would say give it a try, and if you don't like it, I'll give you your money back. But I can pretty much guarantee you, if you try it, you will love it, you will love your trainer, and you will also love the people that you're on your team with.
And we can see we have a happy customer here. Maybe you could be the next one of the, add to our 14,000 pounds of weight loss in Lose Big.
Do it.